Hello, trading is closed on May 27th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call was that I was looking for a pretty sharp move up starting from the open, and that's what happened. I gave a few possible targets for the end of the move. Some of them were good support resistance levels, and they all printed. As far as tomorrow is concerned, we now have a new stilt in the quarter of a diamond. As I've said before, when you gap up this way and then rally in a diagonal like this, it's not a sustainable move, and at some point you're going to retrace. There is some evidence that this is the end of it. One is you have a Fibonacci retracement. You also have a touch of these prior lows. If you look at a Gann fan from here and here, you can see that today's high is right where some of these lines meet, so there should be some resistance. So there is a case to be made for today's high holding. However, there's a big difference between what happened today and what happened yesterday. One more thing I should say is this is the possible origin of the left stilt, but you could also make the case that the origin was here. Yesterday, here was the close, and although we moved straight down and dropped all day, the close was over all of these prior lows. And unless it's reversed immediately, that's usually positive. Here we shot up from the open, went up all day, but this close was over all these prior highs. Almost always, unless you get an immediate reversal by gapping down sharply, there should be some higher prices printing. It would also be helpful to me for the wave count I've proposed. If this is the final wave E, and that's A, and this is ABC of B, I'd like C to go a little bit higher to make the last wave of the pattern a little bit clearer. So based on a variety of factors, I don't think we're going to have to wait too much longer for this to reverse down. It should be the end of an ascending, make that an ending diagonal triangle. Should lead to a very big drop. But even though this could be the high here, I think there's a good case to be made that we're going to go slightly higher first before we reverse. And that is today's call.